Hi friends, let's make our way to all fours. When you arrive there, stack your wrists underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hip points. Spread your fingers nice and wide on your mat. Shine your elbow creases forward. Loop your shoulders up and down the back body. Press into the tops of your feet. Rock your pelvis forward and reach the crown of your head towards the top edge of your mat. Breathe in and out. On your next breath in, reach your right arm out in front of you. Imagine that you're shaking someone's hand, right bicep towards your ear. And then send your left foot back behind you, toes planted on the mat. Find a gentle rocking motion back and forth here, and then find some stillness. Okay, let's all take a deep breath in together. And then on an exhale, press into the top of your right foot as you begin to lift your back leg, your left leg away from the earth, bringing that leg as roughly parallel to the mat as possible, dialing your toes down and pressing that back foot into an imaginary wall. You got this for 3, 2, and then lower down on the 1. Great work. Taking on over to the other side. Left arm reaches out in front of us, pretending that we're shaking someone's hand, and then we send our right foot back, toes planted on the mat. Once again, find that beautiful rocking motion, and then we find some stillness. Breathe in. And then on your exhale, press into the top of your left foot now, and then reach and hover that back leg, your right leg away from the earth, pressing your foot into an imaginary wall, dialing your toes down. We're here for 3, 2, and then lower down on the 1. Woohoo! Coming back to sit on your heels. You did a great job. Return to this video often, especially if you're looking to strengthen and protect your low back. Thank you so much, everyone. Take good care. Bye for now.